Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox and review the Xiaomi powerbank 20000mAh 4i. It supports 33W super fast charging. It comes with a Type-C to Type-C fast charging cable as well. It weighs 433 grams. There are 4 LED indication in this power bank. Right now only one LED is blinking. That means it has only 25% charging left. So I charged it full and it took around 3 hours to fully charge. As now you can see it has 4 LED lights. It is fast charging my Motorola Edge 40 Neo. As you can see there is turbo power connected sign. It is ultra fast charging my OnePlus Nord CE5 as well. As you can see the ultra fast charging sign.